If you're short on time and can't go through all the files, the Resume Parser will organize them and deliver the results in JSON format. Our Resume Parser service, powered by AI, enables employers to receive concise and organized summaries of resumes in under 30 seconds, making it easy to spot any potential gaps. It efficiently organizes details like skills, work experience, and education, providing a comprehensive output that helps employers make faster and smarter decisions. Key benefits: smart sorting, automatically and efficiently organizes resumes with high speed and accuracy, saving you valuable time. ATS compatibility, works seamlessly with applicant tracking systems, ATS, speeding up and improving the accuracy of resume searches for employers. Supports multiple formats, handles files like PDF, docx, doc, and even URLs, giving you more flexibility. By using the Magical Resume Parser API, you can enjoy a more professional and streamlined resume management experience.